diba?
Bigat ka sa
Light lang.
Ay, hindi mang nanganinigil ako.
With brushing with soy protein.
Kumain na kayo na, di ba? Sa Hong Kong. Bako.
It is for about 10 days. So I recommend trying this face first before pairing it with everything. I just poured on.
Busog ka pa. Huminga muna.
Medyo nalilipas. Ay. Yung lasa niya parang, alam mo yung pulbura ng paputok.
Nakatikim ka na nun? Ang good ng fry. Sarap. Naiiyak ako.
Tikman mo to. Tikman mo to. Lamis. Lamis. Ano?
Tinatry ko sa'yo sa taas. Walang mga asin. Deeper.
Cake. Dehydrated. Sarap po. Oh, dehydrated rice.
For us Filipinos, rice is life. Of course,
Yes.
we have to have our rice dish. So this is our black rice ice cream paired with burnt white chocolate sauce.
Desserts with some coffee. This one is a single origin from Sumatra, Indonesia. And coffee. This is Aladdin from Austin. All of us signed it.
Oh, sweet.
I love it.
Happy birthday, Ina.
Oh, this is my cake.
Happy birthday!
Oh my God, ang dami dessert.
Like boom.
Bagay ito doon sa kape.
Actually,
Yeah.